Home security. New Generation Home Pro understands that home security systems do not work in isolation. They work as packages with other security systems, making a complete system. We know that if you are not completely satisfied with the security system, there are many different options to choose from to be still protected from burglars, fire, theft, or other types of danger. At New Generation Home Pro, we are dedicated to introducing our clients to cutting-edge security systems that offer them superior functionality and greater control. Contact us today at 713-501-9985.